Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Walls are the blank canvas of your home, a space just waiting for personality, texture, and creativity. If you've ever looked at an empty wall and thought, something's missing, then today's video is for you. We're diving into unique and stylish wall decor ideas that will transform your space into a home filled with charm, elegance, and individuality. Whether you love modern minimalism, vintage treasures, or artistic expressions, these ideas will inspire you to think beyond traditional paintings and framed prints. So get ready to elevate your walls with stunning decor that will make a statement. And don't forget, each of these ideas is not only stylish but also a reflection of your personality and taste. Let's get started. Gone are the days of plain walls. If you want to make a big impact, statement wall murals and bold wallpaper patterns are the way to go. Choose a design that speaks to your personality, perhaps a breathtaking landscape, an abstract pattern, or an Art Deco-inspired print. Peel and stick wallpaper is perfect if you love to switch things up frequently. For a more artistic approach, consider a hand-painted mural that turns your wall into a masterpiece. Imagine waking up to a stunning watercolor floral scene or a geometric design that adds dimension and depth, pure magic. There's something incredibly charming about incorporating vintage and antique pieces into your decor. Old window frames, ornate mirrors, salvaged wood panels, or even an assortment of antique plates arranged in an artistic layout can bring a rustic, elegant vibe to your space. Scour flea markets or estate sales for unique finds that tell a story. A large gilded mirror not only reflects light beautifully, but also adds a regal touch to any room. If you love farmhouse or cottage styles, distressed shutters mounted as wall art can bring warmth and character like nothing else. Why settle for just decor when your wall art can be both beautiful and functional? Wall-mounted shelves allow you to display curated collections, books, plants, and small sculptures while adding structure to your space. Consider floating wooden shelves with asymmetrical arrangements for a modern touch, or go bold with industrial-style piping for an urban edge. If you love the idea of personalized decor, gallery-style shelves that let you rotate framed prints, candles, and vases give you the freedom to refresh your space with the seasons. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Tell us which wall decor idea speaks to you the most. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more home styling inspiration. Now let's keep going. Flat walls are fine, but why not add depth with three-dimensional decor? Textured wall art, like wooden carvings, woven baskets, metal sculptures, or even macrame, creates visual interest and makes your space feel more dynamic. Imagine an oversized rattan piece above your sofa or an intricate wooden panel adding richness to your dining area. One of the most stunning trends right now is sculptural wall art. Whether it's a set of metal leaves, ceramic wallflowers, or a bold, oversized plaster piece, 3D decor adds that wow factor. Your walls should tell your story. Custom artwork, whether it's a large canvas of your favorite city skyline, a gallery of family photos in matching frames, or even your own DIY creations, makes your home uniquely yours. A growing trend is neon signs with personalized quotes. Think "Stay Wild" in glowing pink letters or your family name in a chic, cursive font. If you love crafting, try creating abstract paintings with a palette knife or assembling a shadow box filled with sentimental trinkets. The goal is to showcase what you love in a way that's both stylish and meaningful. And there you have it, 5 unique and stylish ways to transform your walls from blank to breathtaking. Whether you're drawn to vintage charm, bold statement pieces, or modern textures, there's an idea here to elevate your space and make it feel truly personal. So, which of these wall decor ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more home styling inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.